Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix an Imou camera not connecting to Wi-Fi in 2026. Now, if your camera is stuck during the setup or if it keeps failing to connect, you can just simply try these methods that I'm about to show you in this video. So first of all, you need to understand that Imou cameras don't support the 5 gigahertz Wi-Fi. So make sure that your phone is connected to a 2.4 gigahertz network before starting the setup. This is most common reason for the connection failure. Now, after doing this step, you just have to basically reset your camera properly. For that, you just have to press and hold the reset button, which is over here. So after pressing and holding the reset button for about 10 seconds and until you hear a voice prompt or until you see the flashing indicator, this clears the previous Wi-Fi settings and allow fresh setup. Now, during the setup, you need to place the camera very close to your Wi-Fi router. The weak signal can also cause pairing or to fail or disconnect in the midway. Now, you can also basically try restarting your router if none of the methods is working for you. For that, you need to restart your router and wait for it to fully turn on. Then you can try connecting again. This particular step going to refresh the network and fixes many types of issues. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.